So now to ensure that I get perfection, what I'm going to do is the last step. Not everybody does it, but I find it also makes for a better heat at the end of the day. Ooh, these are heavy. Okay. So I've gotten them into the dishes to bake. This is the last thing I'm going to do with them before I put them to bake. And that is to get some butter around the sides. What I find is that this butter, as the pudding is baking, it melts into the pudding and it doesn't stick to the side, but it also gives a nice kind of saltiness to the pudding, which is a different thing. It doesn't make it salty, but it does add a little bit, like, you know, of that salty type taste to the pudding. You can be it as liberal or as stingy as you want to be with the butter. It's up to you completely. So it goes on the inside.